I'm trying to take a thumbnail and everything fell. Chicmas day 5. It is a PJ type of day. I've just been wearing my pajamas the whole day. I just threw on some brows to look a little bit decent because if not I would have been browless. And all I did really was edit. Just edit. That was like the game plan. And if you haven't seen Chicmas day 4, which is driving through Six Flags Magic Mountain, Holiday in the Park, I'd really appreciate it if you could please show that video some love. I worked really hard on it. Had to like edit 3 different camera angles and like piece them all together, and I was trying to make it in a way where it just wasn't like a static shot, you know, just like straight on. I wanted to give you guys like different angles, like different points of view. Today I thought we would just unbox some PR as well as an item that I ended up purchasing on Black Friday, and I thought today would be the perfect opportunity to do that. So let's first start with this one, brand Forgotten Skincare, and this is it's the original underarm brightening cream. I know that you can also just brighten your underarms with lemon, but I guess this is supposed to be something that you can apply morning and night. It naturally brightens with vitamin C and UVA Ursi extract. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. So what is this exactly? Ooh, it smells good. It smells like vitamin C. This is free of parabens, silicone, baking soda, bleach, synthetic fragrance. It's filled with uva, ursi, aloe leaf, BHA, vitamin C, grapefruit oil, jojoba oil. Thank you so much. And this was provided to me care of Octoly, the brand Pop Beauty. And I'm a huge fan of Pop Beauty makeup. Their uncomplicated skincare supreme C cream, vitamin C product, antioxidant rich, energizing moisture trapping supreme C cream. Good vibes, lemon fruit water, grapefruit, and it also says calamansi lime. Ooh, what? If you're Filipino, you know calamansi, so that's pretty cool. I've never seen a beauty product that contains calamansi in it, so that's really interesting. And it says it right here on the side of the packaging. Thank you so much, Pop Beauty. I think this is so awesome, and I'm excited to try it out. Dermae, and this is called the Hydrating Mist, which contains hyaluronic acid, rose water, and also coconut water. And I've seen a couple people post this on social media that it's personalized. Oh yes, it is personalized. Dermae Christine Hydrating Mist. Isn't that so cool? I love it when brands personalize stuff like this. I've been really enjoying their cleansing balm and also their biphase blemish toner for like these little spots that you guys see. But ooh, I'm gonna have to try this. Thank you very much, Dermae. This is from the brand Wander Beauty. You're wonderful. What did they include in here? So in here it says gorgeous on the go. What do we have in here from Wander Beauty? Ooh, we have some goodies. Okay, so first one, this is their Wander Beauty lip setter. It's a dual lipstick and liner. What shade is this in? This is in the shade Bahama Breeze. Let's see. Oh my gosh, their packaging is so luxe, right? And I mean, it even has some weight to it. One side we have the lip liner, and then on the other side we have the lip product. And let me swatch this. Ooh. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's really pretty. It's a really pretty like nudie pink. Lip setter dual lipstick in the shade Sweet Soul. Sure, let me see. Let's open it. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That's like a mauvey pink. Right up my alley. Right up my alley. And then on the other side, you have the matching lip liner. Wander Beauty Extra Mileage Hair Refreshener. Especially now that my hair is a lot lighter, and because I use purple shampoo to tone it, every time I wash my hair, which really isn't that often because, you know, you're not really supposed to wash your hair that often. Probably now I wash my hair maybe every 2 to 3 days, like 4 days would be max. I can't go any longer than that. Now my hair doesn't get that oily since I've kind of trained it not to be washed every day. The packaging on this is very luxe and so pretty. Ooh, it smells good. Okay, we're gonna have to try this out as well. The Wander Beauty Smooth Sealing Perfecting Primer. So I'm curious how this one works. So look at, again, the packaging. Packaging is gorgeous on this. Ooh, it's like kind of slippery. Oh my gosh, what is that? There's a primer this reminds me so much of. It doesn't have a scent. One of my favorite products from Wander Beauty, and this is their Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil, which I am almost out of. I've been like scraping the sides of it and getting every last bit of it because I love it that much. This is their illuminating face oil, and I love placing this like right here on the high points of my cheeks. And I noticed that it helped a lot with the texture in this area. Keep it in my skincare fridge so that it's nice and chilled and cooled when I apply it to my face. Wander Beauty Scenic Route Hair Treatment. Conditioner, mask, leave-in conditioner, I'm assuming. And dang, this packaging. Pretty. Grapeseed oil, coconut oil, blueberry. Is it blueberry? Let's see. Ooh, it does. It smells good. Thank you so much, Wander Beauty, for all of the goodies, and I cannot wait to try it out. From It Cosmetics, and this is one of their newest lip products. It's their new Pillow Lips Solid, what is it? Pillow Lips Solid Serum. So it's a 5-in-1 lip serum plus tinted lip gloss, and it contains formula with collagen, tri-oil complex hyaluronic acid, and it's created for all lips. So they have their lipstick, which I absolutely love the formula. I think it's also Pillow Lips. I believe that's the name of it as well. Up to 4-hour hydration, instant shine, flush of color, no feathering, visibly revitalized lips. And oh my gosh, they sent all of the shades, which is so sweet. Oh my goodness. So let me show you really quickly what the shades look like. Let me open one of them. Okay, Humble. Humble is definitely one of my favorite shades from the lipstick line, so I'm curious if it's the same. Here's a packaging of the Liquid Lips Solid Serum. Oh, dang, that looks really pretty. It's the same shade as the other one. How do you do this? You turn it, just click it. Ooh, that feels nice and silky. Yeah, I'm gonna have to try that out, but thank you so much, It Cosmetics, for sending that over. That's so super sweet. This next one is basically for the whole family, and this is an item we can all use, and I'm just really excited to finally own one because I hear so many great things about it. My friend Lizzie, What Would Lizzie Do, here on YouTube, and also Serene Woo, they always rave about this, and I was able to snag it on Black Friday because they were having a pretty good deal on it. This is our new Our Place pan in the lavender color. I mean, how pretty is the pan, right? It's gorgeous, and it's like, it's heavy duty. It's like, it's a solid pan. So here's what it looks like. The lid. Steamer, which I really appreciate. It has a natural sponge, I guess, to clean. Some instructions. Love how it has like this little dip right here, so if you have to pour something on either side, you know, you can pour it with ease. It comes with a wooden spatula, and the cool thing is that you can place it right here on the handle, and then you can even close the whole thing like that, and it's mess free. So we're gonna open door number 5, which is right down here. Door number 5. And just don't mind my nails. I still haven't done my nails. I'm planning to do that most likely tomorrow, but it's okay. We're letting them breathe a little bit. It smells a little bit minty and sweet. So this is called Tropical lemongrass. I guess I'm way off on that. So this contains organic lemongrass, herbal tea, peppermint, hibiscus, rosehip, chamomile, and apple. So there was like a bit of that sweetness, but it wasn't cranberry, it was apple. Oops, poured a little bit too much, but that's okay. And then let's put back day number 5. Let's open one of our chocolates. Day number 5 is, where's day number 5? Down here. And let's see, what did we get today? Ooh, dark chocolate. Ooh, that smells good. Day number 5 for the Joseph's Gourmet Popcorn Advent Calendar, and I feel like there's something by my nose. Day number 5 is right up here. And let's see, what did we receive? Oh, let's read our joke of the day. Joke of the day, what is a popcorn's favorite type of music? Give up? Pop. All right, so popcorn, salted caramel popcorn. Did we have this one already? Kind of feel like maybe we did. Let's go ahead and try the tea. It's not very dark yet, but that's okay. Let's see, let's just try it. And I filled it up way too much. Oh, this one's good. I'm telling you, English tea shop advent calendar teas are the way to go. If you're looking for an inexpensive tea calendar, get it early at World Market. Their teas are good. Price point is on point as well. Let's try our chocolate. It's eggnog. It's pretty good. Let's have our popcorn, salted caramel popcorn. Oh, one of them just flew out. Let's take like 3 pieces. Hubs will like this. Let's read some comments from Chicmas Day 3 since I just uploaded Chicmas Day 4. And there aren't any comments on it yet. So let's go with Sarah Ann 123, and she says Twilight Chick upload. Heart, everything's on hold, X. Aw, thank you so much, Sarah, and I hope you enjoyed Chicmas Day 3, and I hope you're watching this Chicmas vlog as well. Dina and Buddy, and she says LOL to the hubs. Luck for me, Buddy wouldn't touch my advent calendars. Yes, we will be having drive-through Christmas lights this year. Have a great weekend, Christine. Hope you're having a wonderful weekend, Dina, and I can't wait to watch your vlog and see the drive-through light experience in Hawaii. Definitely go check out her channel and show her some love. I really do enjoy her vlogs, and I've been subscribed to her for years. So thank you so much, Dina, for commenting. Hope you enjoyed hanging out with me today, even though it was super chill. I hope you enjoyed Chicmas Day 5. If you enjoyed this vlog, please make sure you give it a like. Subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be part of the Chicky crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Stay safe and healthy, and I will see you tomorrow for Chicmas Day 6. Mwah.